Welcome to our introduction on 3D Experience Attributes Mapping with SOLIDWORKS. In this session, we'll cover how to efficiently map and synchronize attributes between SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience platform. Discover how to enhance data consistency and streamline your design processes. So, let's get started and optimize your integration. To do so, we need to go to Content tab from Platform Management Dashboard and search for Attributes Mapping. Then from the Attributes Mapping, we need to search Physical Product. When we get that particular option, then we need to hit that plus icon to add attributes. So define the name of that particular attributes. So for the timing, let me enter that one like a vendor, and title also I am entering as vendor. So what we need to do, like vendor name, it will ask me, so I am defining that to 3D XML, and the desired parameter I can set over there, and here I can enter the value, whatever the value I want to define in this particular attribute, like a vendor name. So once I hit that button, apply button, it will come, and here you can see that gear symbol indicates what, it is not yet updated. So we just need to click on yes to update it. Then what we need to do, you can see that check message is coming, and you just need to cancel it, and you can see that green tick mark indicates what, that is already applied. Then we need to go to this configuration deployment, and from here what we need to do, we need to reload the cache file, and we need to update the index model, so that software will clear the cache file as well as it will update all the and reset all the data whatever we defined just now. Then finally we need to go to CAD collaboration, hit on the SolidWorks, and here we need to define, like for part or for component or for assembly, with what we need to define the attributes. So for the timing, we just need to enter in the component and hit the plus button, and whatever the vendor name or that attribute we defined earlier, we need to define that one, and we need this one bi-directional from SolidWorks interface as well as from 3D Experience platform. So we need to define both and hit the button apply. So once we hit the apply button, it already applied. So to check this one, what we need to do, we need to launch the SolidWorks connected from the 3D Experience platform. Once the SolidWorks will open, what we need to do, we need to create a particular component to test whether it is taking these attributes or not. So what we need to do, we just need to open any previously entered data which we already designed in the SolidWorks, and what we need to do, first we need to save that particular data to the 3D Experience platform, and from here we can go and check the properties of this particular file. And in the file, what you can see, all the option or the whatever the attributes we defined in our 3D Experience platform, it will populate. Here you can see the vendor name it is showing, so that you can drop down it easily and select any of your particular attribute. Like currently I am selecting BL, and hit the open button or the OK button. What will happen, you can see in our SolidWorks property also it is showing. So similar fashion, what we can do, we can go to the properties again, and we can define the different attribute as a vendor name. So this is how you can define attributes and map the attribute and synchronize the data in between the SolidWorks as well as the 3D Experience platform. With this, for more information on 3D Experience product, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you.